Hello friends, welcome to Pangambam Chakshang with this special video. Mayam punong poy na ngasi Pangambam Chakshang ngasi taram na oksari. First of all, I wish happy Sarabo to all of you. Mayam punong poy na ngasi Sarabo asigi de mongte yafa pagjal pijari. I am glad to tell you all that today Pangambam Chakshang has reached 1,000 subscribers and it's a big milestone indeed. Mayam ngasi di Pangambam Chakshang ngasi 1,000 subscribers yaure. I thank and appreciate each and every one of you for your support. This would not happen without your support. Aina mayam punang pu amamam to ina thagaba phongdokchari mayam gi support yam drogdi aina ngasi asibokte yo phongjara moi kechu. Once again, thank you all to be a part of this community and keep supporting me. Amukana mayam punang pu Pangambam Chakshang single winner na samina mogite makta taram na okchari aduga ai bodum support of you. I am here presenting a simple video clip dedicating to all of you. Let's have a look. Thank you.